interfaith service, and many years ago in Mexico City, one cathedral and some sort of interfaith service. Some Japanese Buddhists and some Christians, I think some Muslims. So then the Japanese, you see, as usual, they carry their rosary. So some kind of prayer. And then she very sort of very dignified, and she carries some kind of prayer, and the rosary go like that. And then somehow the string, the thread of the rosary broke. So then you see the many beads scattered. But still, he still remained like that. What use that? I really felt laugh. If I am that kind of case, I will put the prayer and pick up those beads. That's practical, isn't it? Then, see, when I was young in Lhasa, then I regularly received Life magazine from America. One time, one picture of Queen of England, then young, of course. So I think some ceremony, you see, queens read some speech. Then very much sort of dignified solemn. Of course, human beings follow the protocol, also those formality. But wind, don't bother about sort of the protocol. So wind blow, king sort of this part of the cloth like that. I think a funny American photographer usually took that picture. Queen remained reading that, her cloth like that. I think much better. Queen as a human being, I think it'll do it like that. It's much better. So there are, you see, among humanity, a lot of differences.